Boom.
Alright, one of the big problems with these big wheels is getting alignment. So I called a guy. No, first of all, nowhere does 26s. These are 26s. So 26s and north, 24s going north, 24s and up, basically, you're gonna have problems getting alignment. And then when you do find somebody to do it, they know that no one else does it, so they want to knock you over the fucking head for it. So I called one guy, he told me 150. 150 for an alignment. My Benz don't even cost 150 for an alignment. Those are dealership prices. So a lot of times it's easier to just do it yourself. It's a lot cheaper. I had another guy tell me he could do it, 60 bucks, cool. He aligned it 3 times, sent me out of there, and my steering wheel was like this. So, you know, a lot of guys don't know what the fuck they doing. So anyway, I made something that I seen on YouTube and other places that could possibly work. So I bought some stuff from Lowe's for pretty cheap, and I'll show you this little contraption that I made up after I'm done doing the alignment, after I show you how to do it. So the level cost me 10 bucks. The laser level cost me another 20. This little piece of metal right here was 10 bucks, and a $4 ruler. Alright, a tape measure. So I'll turn on the laser. You want to measure against the rim. So this is at 2 inches 1/8. So 2 1/8. Alright. Now I'll go to the front wheel. And this one is at 2.5 inches. So that's off. You want the wheel, the front wheels are supposed to be like this. So if that's 2 1/8, this wheel should be at 2 1/16. So we are going to get under there and get it straight. So come this way. I'm going to show you how to do that with these old schools. So you want to take these 2 bolts loose on the tie rod end. I'm going to take this one loose and that one loose. And then you're going to spin them and you're going to bring that wheel in. And again, you want them to be kind of like pigeon-toed. Not a lot, just by a 1/16. Alright? And that's how you can do an alignment in your garage and save you a whole lot of fucking aggravation. Alright, so I needed the level to be flat on the wheel. So I put this drill right here to kind of press it back, keep it flat on there. And then I just use some duct tape to go around the laser. So right here you can see where it's leveled. Follow the bubble, it's leveled, straight. Alright, now I'm going to take it apart and show you what it looks like. That's all it is. So I got this at Lowe's, like I said, for 10 bucks. Cut it, put this on it, and it works for me. My tires aren't getting ate up or anything. My car is going straight down the street now. So that saves me a lot of headache and an 1.5-hour drive to Tampa trying to get somebody to align it. Alright? So I appreciate the likes and subscribe to my channel.